Okay. So now in this one, you have seen that WCWR. So sometimes it is given as WXWR. So in the question, it will be given W belongs to 0 plus 1. If it is belong to a 0 plus 1 star, the star will not specifically be given. It can be given or it cannot be given. But if it is raised to power of plus, it will always be given. It means that every W or X has a least length of 1. Okay, so at least one string should be possible in that one. So I'm only discussing that portion here. So we have seen till that in this one, this particular WCWR language is a regular language because of this C can extend to W and WR. So it will become expression. This C, suppose this is a kind of a string here that is available here. So this C starting from this C, it can extend to left hand side except the taking the last string, and it can extend up to this except taking the first string. Okay, so this whole part can be of C. So I can directly say that this string is starting and ending with the same symbol. So this becomes your W and this becomes your WR. Okay, so in that one we have seen different variants of it. If I say that if I fix the length of the C, now it's a problem. So if I fix the length of the string, now I exactly know that if in a particular string, so suppose this is a particular string. Okay, so in a particular string, I will exactly know because the length of the C is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this part belongs to C and the remaining part is W and WR. Okay, so I will definitely be able to identify in a particular string that what exactly which part belongs to W and which part belongs to WR. So in that way, the if this is extended to this one, so this W can be any value. So I have to remember if I'm not able to extend this C, it means I have to remember this W so that I can see the reversal of that string. So that is why if I fix the length, if I fix the length of C or the center string or any center variable, I will not be able to get. So that is why this whole expression is not regular. So now in this one, a student asked me a question that what happens if I fix the length of a W. So that one I have told you wrong about this because I just move ahead into the next lecture here. So because I also seen that because I am limiting the length, so it becomes a finite language. I will tell you how. Just wait for a minute. Okay, so there's always a problem with OneNote. Okay. So now this was the previous question we have done, and in that question, a student asked me a question that what happens in that case when we fix the length of W. Okay, so when we are fixing the length of W again, you will able to identify that that C cannot extend beyond a particular range. So W and WR can easily be identified, but if the length of W is only only 2, the combination can be 0 1 1 0 0 0 and 1 1. So for the reverse one, its combination will be 0 0 and 1 1. So nothing more than that, because the center part is 0 plus 1 star. You can directly say the center part is 0 plus 1 plus. Okay, so I definitely can build a automata for this particular kind of a language. Okay, because only I have to remember W 4 times. For 4 times I have to remember W, and for 4 times I have to remember the reversal of it. So you can easily draw the finite automata of it. If you are seeing this one, I think you can easily able to draw it. So that is why this language is also regular. So I have told you wrong here because you are able to draw a finite automata of this one. So this language is also regular, because if you are seeing, the center part is not the problem. So the center part can always be represented as a regular language, because this is just 0 plus 1 plus. Okay, so if you want to represent this expression in regular expression, you can also represent it. So just go with this 0 plus 1 plus and plus. So the reversal of this will be 1 0, and then you represent this language as 1 0, then 0 plus 1 plus, and then 0 1. In the similar way, you can represent the language for this fourth string, that is your 0 plus 1 plus, and then 0 0, and then another string that will be 1 1 and 0 plus 1 plus, and then 1. So you are able to write the regular expression for this particular language, because when I fix the length of W, the main part is W. The main part is I have to remember W. So I have to see the WR, what exactly the reversal of that part. But if I just fix the length of W, so I have to remember a finite portion of the string. So I do not have to remember all the portions. So I can write a regular expression relating to that. So I can directly say that this one is particularly a yes, this is a regular language. So in this case, if you fix the length of C, then it will not always be a regular language, because if I fix the length of C, it cannot extend beyond a certain range. If it is not extending to a certain range, then I cannot write a regular expression for this particular string. Okay, so by fixing the length of W, you are making sure that your W is finite. So I have only, the problem lies with this W and WR. If you remember, if we have done this question WR, where W belongs to 0, where the length of W is equal to 3. So we have done this question, and then in this particular question, the language was regular because the length of W is only 3. So the combinations are not very infinite, the combinations are finite here. In the similar way, if I fix the length of W, so this only this reversal part is making this language not regular language, this reversal part. If I just make this reversal part as a finite language, so it will always be a regular language. So keep in mind, I have told you in the previous lecture that this one is not a regular language. That is my mistake. So that one is exactly a regular language. So keep in mind. In the similar way, if I just by limiting the length of W as well as by limiting the length of C, so both of these are limited. Again, by limiting the length, you will get a finite language, because only a particular kind of 3-length string will be possible in C. Only a particular 2-length string will be possible in C. So it is countable. So if I just say this, that the 4 combination will be possible from here and 8 combination will be possible from here. So I don't think it is more than that. So only that, I think total combination will be 32. 32 combination will be possible for this language, and that is fine, countable. So if it's something is countable, they can represent it in a particular number. You can directly say that that is a finite language, and that number can be anything. So if I say that, if you say that your time complexity is in constant, you always say that my time complexity is in constant time. So constant time means that you have the value of the time, that you can represent the time like in 10 seconds, 10 nanoseconds, or 100,000 nanoseconds. So there is a particular value exists for a particular algorithm, that you can say directly that this is a finite set. Okay, so that is why your language is not regular. This finite language is regular. In the similar way, this fifth question was also asked by the student. In the tut one, I have told you that this is a regular language. So that is a mistake by me. This is not a regular language, because if you remember, if I just say that W belongs to a 0, 1 plus or star, I think let's go with the plus, because we are only doing plus here. This is also plus. So for that one, if you remember, this WWR is not a regular language. Okay, so it is not a regular language, because if this is not a regular language, by combining it with any other string, do not make that language a regular. So if you remember, if individually a language is not regular, by combining it with any other language, it will not become a regular language. So to keep that thing in mind, that is the absolute with 100% certainty I can say that if individually the language is not regular, by combining it with any other string like W, it will always be not regular. So this W always, you can also see that this WW is not always also a regular language when I do not fix the length of the string. This WW is also not a regular language. So but if this is not a regular language, by combining it with any other string will not make it regular. Okay, so that is why this is also not a regular language. I have updated the solution. I think in the question in the tut was WWR and something like that. Okay, so I have told you in the tutorial that this was a yes, the question was yes. So I thought that it was relating to that question. So that is why I given you yes. But I have updated the solution that this is not a a regular language. Okay, so the solution will be again, the name of the solution will be changed as updated. Okay, so you can see it yourself. In the similar way, now the type just go a little bit far. Now I am again only talking about where the sigma is of 0 plus 1 and it is raised to power plus. Okay, so I am only talking about plus right now. I will again repeat all the procedure for star also, but I just want you to focus only on plus here. So where the length of the string will be at least 1. Okay, so the next question that falls in that range is your the second type. I will call it a second type by naming it in Roman. Okay, so this is your second type. In this second type, the question is X, W, W, R, and Y. Okay, so this is also X and Y and W belongs to all of the question that I am telling you here are one and another kind of exception that exist in the some kind of exception are existing in these on those questions. So that is why I am discussing this question that you cannot easily solve this. Okay, so now you just see it for yourself. Take like 2 or 3 minutes to look for this question and try to extend this X and try to extend this Y to something. If you are able to find some particular pattern that by using that pattern you can write a regular language. Okay, so just tell me, is this language a regular language or not? Okay, so just reply in the chat box. I'm monitoring it. Okay, take like 2 minutes. Don't answer it just directly. Take like 2 minutes. You will be thinking that it is a WWR, so it is not regular and it is combining with other language, so it will also be a non-regular. But first, by saying that, just try it one or two strings and just see if there is any kind of a pattern that is available there. Okay, just see this. Okay, so Adarsh has asked the question that why we say that WWR is not a regular language. Okay, so Adarsh, what you do, just go with that flow. If the length of W is fixed, suppose I say the length of W is 2, so the possible number of string will be countable. So that set becomes finite. So I do not have to worry about that part when the length is fixed. So it will always be regular. But if the length is not fixed like W, WR, and where W and W belongs to just I say A plus B, A plus B star. Okay, so if I just say something like this, what will happen? That if just take out some language like A, B, now W is AB, now the reversal will be BA. Okay, so now for W, only A, then the reversal of this one will be A. Okay, so this is a W, this is a WR. In the same way, the reversal of ABA is again ABA. In the same way, BAB, the reversal of this one is again BAB. Okay, so why is this not a regular language? Because the number of strings that can come in W can be anything. So it is just I am talking about here only two strings. Here the W is only one string. Here is three, but that W part can contain like 1,000 strings also. So for that 1,000 string, again 1,000 string for WR should be also there, and that too in form of a reversal. Okay, so if in 1,000 string, in the end string that is written with BA, it is ending with BA, the reversal will be starting with AB. Okay, so that followed by 1,000 strings. So we have to identify it. How can I identify it? If I am able to remember the 1,000 strings, that I can take and identify that the final string is meeting the first string, second last string is meeting the second string, third last is meeting the third string. So that is why I have to remember these 1,000 strings to make sure that I see the reversal of it. So that is why I to remember this, I need a memory, and for memory, you can directly say that you cannot have a finite automata if there is some kind of a memory mentioned there. Okay, so that is why if this is not regular, if this is not finite. Okay, so for a finite language, there is no problem. So whenever there is a finite, you will look at it. If there is any hint of finiteness, you directly say that this is a regular language. Okay, I hope you understand my point. If you have any doubt, again, you can just write in chat box, or you just unmute the mic and ask. Okay, so I cannot say if WWR directly, I cannot say it is a not regular language without seeing the condition. Okay, without seeing the condition, I cannot say WWR is not a regular language. Okay, so for WWR to be non-regular, you just have to see for the condition first. Without condition, I cannot tell about anything about it. Okay. So now just see this one, that WWR. This is again, I just have to say it that this is also a regular language. Okay, now what exactly is happening here? I will again go with the same thing. So everything I'm talking about is kind of a different explanation than you will find, but it is again regular. I will tell you how. It is also proven. It cannot be proven by a pumping lemma, because pumping lemma will only prove that this particular language is not regular. Okay, so when you apply pumping lemma, the strings that will be generated from here will always lie in the language, but still you surely cannot say that the pumping lemma is a negativity test. You cannot say that this particular language is a regular. So what exactly I will prove this by writing a regular expression of this one. Okay, so how can I write a regular expression? Just see a strings here. So suppose I take a string like because it is 1 0, so at least one string it will be there. So for x I have taken 1 0. Suppose something like this. For y I have taken 0 1. For w I have taken 1 0 1 0 0. For WR, I think I've taken 0 0 1. So it will be the reversal of this one. Now if I just write the expression here, it will look like this. For x equal to 1 0, W will be 1 0 0, WR will be 0 0 1, and Y will be 0 1. Okay. So if I just this is your x and this is your y. If I just try to extend this one, I can reach till here, and if I try to extend this one, I can reach till here. Now why I'm saying this, just wait for a minute. I will show you other languages string also. Okay, so this is your string one. If I try it with string 2 also, so suppose your x, I have to again literally write it. So suppose x is 1 1, y is 0 1, your w is 1 1 0, so your WR will be 0 1 1. Okay, so if I just write it, so x will be 1 1 and w will be 1 1 0, so WR will be 0 1 1, and then your y will be a 0 1. Okay, so this is your x and this is your y, and if I again extend it till here and extend it till here, you are able to find a pattern here that 0 0. Okay, so I just change the pattern here like this. Another string I will take string 3 where x is something like this 0 1 and y is 1 0 and w is 0 0 1 and the WR is 1 0 0. Now here you will see a different pattern here. So it will be 0 1 x, W will be 0 0 1, WR will be 1 0 0, and y will be 1 0. So I think this is x, this is y, and you if you extend it, you will find this, and if you extend it, you will find this. Okay. So again, if you are seeing this correctly, whenever there are two zeros and two ones are occurring, I can directly say it that there is some kind of a pattern lies in there. Okay. So now how can I say it? Like if I just write in a regular expression, the regular expression will say that the set of all the strings where two zeros are contained and the set of all strings where two ones are contained. If I just try to write the regular expression, before it 0 plus 1 star can come, and 0 0 should have be that this is your W and this is your WR. So I have made this to only one length string, that is this is your W and this is your WR. After that, any number of zeros and one can come. In the similar way, I write a plus in between, and 0 plus 1 star, any number of zeros and ones can come. After 1 1, so this is your W and this is your WR, any number of zeros and one can come. So I just try to have a plus in it. So to write a star here because the condition given is plus. Okay, just go with the plus. Okay, so this is the regular expression that is possible. Now I think most of you will have many doubts that how it is possible that I can represent a particularly different language in this regular expression. Okay, so suppose you are generating this language. Now if you are clearly finding it, you are not absolutely, it is based on the same concept that you cannot do a one-to-one mapping of the string that is generated from a particular language. In this case, if you see, the language is X, W, WR and Y. If I write any string like 0 1 0 0 1 1 and 0 0 1 0, so there is no kind of a particular one-to-one mapping available, that the length of X is not fixed, the length of Y is not fixed, the length of W is not fixed, the length of WR is also not fixed. So nothing is fixed. So you have to identify that which part is belonging to X and which part is belonging to Y, which part is belonging to W and which part is belonging to WR. Okay, so in the similar way, the smallest I consider that W and WR will always be present if I consider the center string. If I always consider the center string where the strings are repeating, as one string is W and the another string is WR, so the starting and ending point I will get, and that point will be your X and that point will be your Y. So in that case, everything I will be able to map every kind of a possible scenario here. Okay, so still, if you are thinking, just let me again give you example. So suppose this is your string 4 and you're thinking that X is 0 1 and suppose Y is 1 0. Now the W and WR, I have to write W and WR here. So most of you will be thinking, if I am just saying that 1 1 1 is my W, so the WR will become a 1 1 1. Okay, so if I just write this string 0 1 and what will W 1 1 1 and WR will be 1 1 1 and Y will be your 1 0. Okay, so this is the string. Suppose what I do, I change this string. So you will be thinking like 0 1 and what are the reversal string here? So this is the reversal string. So I just say 1 0 1, suppose something like this. I find a pattern here. Suppose like 1, just wait, like this one 0 1. So what I do, I write here WR as 1 1 1 and 1 0. Okay, so most of you will be thinking that this is wrong because if I just change this question as this one, that this W is your W is 101, so WR has to be 101, but I just write that as 111. Okay, so now most of you will be thinking that this string should not be in the language, but clearly if I just assign this one, so if I'm just standing at this language without knowing that which part belongs to this, so you will not be given that, you will try to exactly derive the languages. Okay, so now this language set is given to you. Now you have to derive that if I take this one as W and if I take this one as WR, the remaining string can become X and Y. So it is kind of lie in the language. That is why I've said it can be represented in a regular expression that looks like this. Okay, that is why this language is regular. So I'm sure that many of you will be having some kind of a doubt. If you have any, you just shout a message in chat box. I'm monitoring it. Okay. Still, it's a little bit of a confusing with the explanation, but the explanation lies on the fact that you will not be able to identify once you got into the string. You will not be able to identify that which part is belonging to a W, which part is belonging to X, and which part is belong to Y. So that is why you always try to take the smallest string where W and WR thing is feasible. That is why that wherever WWR is. Now most of you will be thinking that why in the case of WWR, why this single language is not regular. Okay, so if I just not fix that length, now clearly see this one in this case, what is happening exactly here. So I just say that W is belonging to 0 plus 1 plus. So in this case, most of you will also be thinking that this if W is 100, so WR will be 001. So I am again able to find the pattern, and I can write this 10 and 01 in some other way. Okay, so suppose you're thinking that this W and WR will be this, W and WR will be this. Now I am able to write the regular expression. The regular expression will look like this, that it is containing 00 and 11. That is absolutely correct. But what about the extra strings? What exactly will come here if you say that if you are writing 0 plus 1 here, and again writing 0 plus 1 here, and again writing 0 plus 1 here, and again writing 0 plus 1. So that is also containing all the strings, so that this WWR can also be represented as like this. Okay, so if you are clearly seeing, there is no variable that is attached to it. So all the strings that are contained, the part should be, some part of it should be, part of should be WR. Okay, so if I just choose this string, so what exactly this remaining part belongs to? It is not belonging to any W. So this is not a part of W, and there is no variable present in that. So how can you say that what kind of variable is this particular 0 1 and 1 0 is belonging to? So that is why if in this question you will clearly see that there is a variable that lies in here, that is your X, where I can tie up that string, the remaining part of W that you are thinking. Okay, so still I hope that you understand this, but I think if you have any doubt, you should have a doubt in this one. If you understand, that is very well and done, good and well, I will move further. But still you have any doubt, you can ask me. Okay, so I am monitoring the chat box. Still have any doubt? Okay. So now this thing is, I am only talking about 0 plus 1 plus. I'm not talking about a star here. So with the added star, the star questions are very easy, because by adding a star you will get a lambda or epsilon part here. So I will, rather than introducing this single string, I can also put epsilon in that one. So I will show you when I talk about 0 plus 1 star. That is why I've separated these, both of these two questions. Okay. So now if you're thinking, now again on the based on the same lines, if you understood this one, now I'm again moving on to the third type. Can anybody tell me that this question, that your X and WR. So just take a little bit of time, where X and W belongs to 0 plus 1 plus. Okay, so again, I'm only talking about plus here. So think about it for a minute. Take out any pattern if you're able to find it. Is this part is a regular language or not? Okay, just take it. Take 5 minutes. Take 2 minutes. Just think about it. Take out some languages regarding it. Okay, so just tell me that it is yes or no. Okay. So again, go with the same pattern that you know, that just take like x equal to, if I just x is equal to 0, w will be 0 1 and wr will be suppose it's a reversal of it. If I write this string as 1 0 0 1 and 1 0, so now just see it for yourself also, like this is your x and this is your w and this is your wr. Okay, so can you write it like this, that this part, obviously this part can be written as 1 1, this whole part will come under your x, but what about this part, this remaining part? So if I assign this as w, I have to assign this as wr. So what about the remaining part? So remaining part is also in the language, so it is not coming under any string. Okay, so if I just say something like this, that if you are able to find some kind of a pattern between that, so now the two ones and two zeros, wherever two ones and two zeros are coming, you will think that this is your w and this is your wr. Okay, suppose this is also your, you can also assign this as your w and this as your wr, so this is also a possibility. So that will becomes your x. Now what about the remaining part? So there is no extra variable that I can assign to, because w and wr length is finished, so I cannot go beyond the length of this one. So now I don't think that is a regular language. Because of this I cannot say that this is a regular language. Okay, so because for the x part I am not able to assign any string. So just take any one more example, like 1 1. Suppose I take 1 0 1 0 1 1 0 1 0 1. Okay, so now this is the strings that are repeating here. So that one string will become your w and the another string will become your wr. Okay, so now the remaining string will become your x, no doubt about it. So that it can come under x, but but about this one, so you cannot assign it as wr because wr is already assigned. So this part there is no variable there to claim this part. Okay, so that is why you cannot be able to represent it in a regular expression. So that is why this is not a regular language. Okay, similarly if I just do this one, your fourth type, and do like w w r and write a y in the end. Okay, so it will become x w, where w belongs to 0 plus 1x. Now tell me about this one. Is this a regular language or not? I think you get the point. I think if you are listening to the lecture, I think you can tell me. I know that this is a bit confusing. No book will give you the explanation that I'm giving you. So that is why I'm telling you to just please listen to this one. Okay, so these are the most widely asked question. If you opt out for any PSU exam, any IES exam, any exam, it will be ISRO, it will be GATE, it will be NET, any competitive exam. These are the kind of question. These 10 question are the most frequently asked question in TOC subject. So that is why I have taken a different class to tell you about these 10 questions. So I think if you are listening to the lecture, yes, absolutely. Yes.
Is it x comma y or y comma w?
X comma.
X comma w or y comma w?
Oh, sorry, Y comma W. Sorry for that. So now this language is again based on the same line. If you are clearly seeing the previous language, I think one has given the language. Phanindra has given the right answer that it is also not a regular language. Okay. So if you opt out for a string, like this one, suppose I say that this is your 0 1 and this is my 1, and then that thing is given. So I can tell that if I just say this, that smallest string, I will go with the smallest string like 1 1 0 0 1. Okay, so this will be my w and this will be my wr because it is starting with it. So I will go with the smallest string here. So by going with the smallest string, so okay. So just take a bigger string. Suppose like this one 0 0. Suppose 1 0 1 1. So that is even length string. 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay. So this one becomes your w. If this one becomes your w, so this one becomes your wr, and the remaining part that it will come under y. but the remaining part of the starting one, where it will come. So it will, there is no extra variable for it. So you can again directly say that you will not be able to write a regular expression. Okay. So now again, if you must be thinking that if I, what happen if I give that kind of a string, suppose I say that my W is 101 and my WR is again 101. So it will become 101, 101. In Y, I just put a 10. Okay. So it will be my 10. Okay. So now you will be thinking that for this part, if I take W as this one W and this W as WR, and this is your Y. Okay, so that can also happen. But what happens is that because I cannot write a regular expression with it, I cannot give you another string to check it. Okay, so just let me see what can I give you. WWR. Okay. So as this is the string that 101, 101, 101, I can also assume that this is the where, because the strings are repeating here. This part can belongs to W and this part can belongs to WR here. So by doing that, that is the smallest string. I always consider the smallest string for that. That can come under a Y, but that cannot come under anything. So that is the reason that this part is not regular, because now you will not be able to write a regular expression that is containing only one fun. Okay, that is why this is not a regular language. In the similar way, the last type is completed with this one. These are the four, I think five types. Okay, so the first type we have already done, second type, three, yeah, four. These are the four types that we have done. Now if I just change, the same questions are given there, like WX, WR, and WX belongs to, now I just change the question as 0 plus 1 star. Okay, so the epsilon will be here 0 plus 1 star. Okay, now here I am talking about star only. So now can you tell me that is this a regular language or not? So only the inclusion of epsilon is come under this, nothing new, but only the inclusion of epsilon comes under this. Can anybody tell me is this a regular language or not? I think now you understood this one. I can see that you can easily tell me. Just take a little bit of time. Okay, anyone? Okay. So Fanindra and Shaksham are saying not regular. Okay. So why exactly is not regular? Because in the plus one, if it is regular, now see, now there is an extra string added in this one. Because of this, I can add a epsilon here. So if I consider W as epsilon and WR will also be epsilon. So that string will directly be converted into something like 0 plus 1 star. Okay, so if you see that any string, suppose suppose this is the string given like W is equal to 101, WR will be your 101 again, and the X is like 111. Okay, so you can write it like this: 101, your X is 111, and your WR is 11. Okay, so this is your W and this is your W. Okay, so if you are clearly seeing it, if you have because if we are deriving, we are going from this one, you know that exactly what is W and what is WR. But exactly if you are given a language like this, that this one, so previously what we are doing, we are identifying uh, because of this X, it can extend to anything, it can extend to anything. Okay, so this the center part will be X, we know about this. So this X can extend to at least leaving the first string, why it is leaving the first string here? Because the length of the W should be at least 0 plus 1 plus, should be at least 1 in the previous one, But now there is no compulsion that the length of the W should be greater than or equal to 1 here. So that there is no compulsion of plus. So this C can extend to any language and take the whole string in it. So this C can take the whole string in itself. Now the regular expression can directly be written like this, 0 plus 1 star. Now in this language, your W is lambda, your W is epsilon, and your WR is also epsilon. So that is why it becomes easy when I'm talking about, because in the previous one, when there is a plus, we have to make sure that every variable has a one length string when there is a plus. But because of this star, I do not have to make sure that every W and X should be of at least one length. Now I can take care, I can assign W to W and WR to a epsilon. So some strings like 101, 101. So I can say that this is also belonging to the language that is your WXWR, because in this one the epsilon is W and the epsilon is WR that is present here, and the remaining part is belonging to X. Okay, so that is why this language is also regular. Yes, this is also a regular language. Okay, so that is the reason why it is. So again, the pattern is similar. In the previous one, I try to reduce the length to, I tries to reduce the length to one length string, only one length string. Now because the given language was belonging to 0 plus 1 plus. Okay, so that is at least one string. But because of this star, now I do not have any compulsion of it. So I can directly say that this expression is directly belonging to 0 plus 1 star. So that is why this is a regular language. This is a regular language. In the same way, I just change the type here. If you have any doubt, you can ask me in this one. Just I write the question. Now think about this one. What I've said, now think about it for a minute and tell me about the solution of this second question, that is your now in this one, if I just again say that, if I just say that WXWR, and I say that the length of the X, is 5, not more than 5, and W can belong to 0 plus 1 star. Okay, so think about it. Is this language a regular language or not? I think now just the explanation is exactly the same in the previous one. Just think about for a minute and tell me. Okay, so now in this one again, when you fix the length of X, now what happened? When you fix the length of X, you will be able to identify W and WR. Okay, so suppose there is a proper identification of W and WR is possible now. Now, suppose this is a string like 101111010. So now the 5 strings are there, 101. So because of this length fixed to X, that is your 5 length, it cannot go beyond 5. I can directly say that this is my W and this is my WR. So I am able to identify W and WR. It means that W can contain now any number of strings. I have to do a reversal of this one. So if this is containing this, so 101 1101, I have to, the WR should contain this one. Okay, so because of this X not extending beyond the length of 5, I cannot generalize this expression into 0 plus 1 star. So this is not possible because I cannot extend the length of X only because I have fixed the length of X. So if I fix the length of X, that the possible thing that I am doing again and again, that I always try that this X should extend to almost all the strings. Okay, so that W and WR is taking the least amount of strings, but due to this I cannot identify. So X can be, you can take, like if you're thinking like this, that this is the string 1011 as 101, you also be thinking like this one, that this is also possible that I will take the value of W as the smallest, the W, and this will be the value of your WR. But you cannot consider all of this as X because the X has a length of only 5. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this is your X. Now this particular string is not belonging to the language WXWR. Now I'm sure of that. So that is why this is not a regular language, but because I have to remember the W, so I have to see the WR. So that is why I need a memory for that. Okay. So there goes your explanation for that. Okay. In the similar way, if I just do the same kind of a question, your WX, sorry for that, XW WR, XW WR. Now your X is belongs to X and W belongs to 0 plus 1. Always think about of this W as a epsilon. Now try this question. I think now if you think about it, that's the smallest string. I think you can get it. Is this a regular language or not? Okay. So I just tell you that yes, this is a regular language. Now, why is this a regular language? Because you can consider W as lambda and your WR will also become a lambda. If I a lambda or epsilon. If I put a lambda here, so X lambda followed by a lambda. So this is your W and this is your WR. So it is becoming only X here. So X will be your 0 plus 1 star. You can directly write the expression like this. Okay. So if I say that some particular string like 0101100, so it is belonging to this language or not? I will say that yes, it is belonging to this language because this is the part of X and the remaining part that is not shown here, that is by epsilon followed by epsilon. This part is belonging to W and this part is belonging to WR. Okay, so that is why this is also a regular language. And in the similar way, if I just change this question as W, WR and Y. Okay, so is this language a regular language or not? I think most of you will get the answer now because it will follow the same principle here. Okay, so just try it yourself and tell me what will be the answer. Just post your solution. Okay, so I think your time is up. So just I tell you the explanation of the last one. Again, you can put epsilon here and epsilon here followed by a y. So this y again, this y is represented by a 0 plus 1 star. So you can directly write it. Now any string like 10101, you will say that this part is belonging to y and the starting part, that is your epsilon belonging to w, and this is your w. Okay, so that are the 4 types that are most asked in any competitive exam. So just I will upload this notes here in the LMS. Just take a look at these notes combined with the previous notes that we have done the languages. Now keep in mind that what explanation I've given you. Take a look at it. I will strongly suggest that you will take some time because now we are discussing it on a Friday. Okay, so Thursday. Sorry for that. Thursday. So you have like 2 or 3 days. So tomorrow I think most probably due according to the academic calendar, it will be a holiday to you. So I strongly suggest that you take a little bit of time to revise this, only this part. So I have not said anywhere that you should revise anything, but I'm strongly suggesting you that you should revise this chapter, this particular notes that I have given in this lecture. And if you have any doubt, you just mail me or you just give me a message on Teams. Okay, so just try it yourself, and I will tell you this. I will again revise it in the next lecture. Okay, so thank you for listening, and you can move on to the next lecture. If you have any doubt, you can now again ask me. So don't worry about the doubts. I will tell you each and everything about it.